Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.1 trillion. We're down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are still in the red, and obviously that is to be expected. If you guys don't know, we did see that price pullback in Bitcoin due to its all environmental issues with Bitcoin and Tesla saying they're not accepting it. But I believe as long as Bitcoin were to find a zone where it could trade sideways, we are about to see a massive recovery very very fast. But it's all depends on Bitcoin right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than VeChain. Alright, so if we're looking at VeChain's price right now, VeChain is currently trading at 16.5 cents. It's up 1.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3.6% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. So VeChain current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 18 spot. Market cap right now is $10.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume is $1.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're up at 3,500%, and obviously, in the last 7 to 30 days, we are in the red. But if we're zooming out, guys, and looking at the bigger picture, VeChain has come up, a long way. So, despite the fact that we are seeing these correction, we are holding pretty well. But now, let's deep dive into the charts to see where we are going in the immediate short term. Alright, before I go, but I want to share this. Rec project posted this on their LinkedIn, and it says, cleanup impact status. Our collection data from Jan to April 2021 is now verified by DNB, and we are happy to share with you that we have removed 672,938 pounds of plastic waste from oceans and rivers. With the blockchain platform from VeChain Tech used to collect, record, and monitor collectible collection data, we ensure that all data is stored securely, timestamped, and immutable. The certification for DNB provides independent proof of our progress and traceability of the total collection process. When it comes to social and environmental responsibility, consumers are looking for brands to show them, not just tell them, what they are doing. By providing companies with proof of claims related to making oceans and rivers cleaner from plastic waste, they can join our mission with confidence. So guys, look at this. You may be asking, Crypto ZX, what's the point of sharing this? This goes to show what VeChain really is doing, guys. This goes to show that. And VeChain is just not an ordinary cryptocurrency coin on cryptocurrency markets. That's just a coin and speculation. It has a working product, as I say all the time, and this is a perfect example right in front of us. Has a working product, has a real use case, and on top of that, what is it doing? It's bringing mass adoption in return to the crypto industry. A lot of organizations are feeling comfortable to get into blockchain after they see big organizations using a blockchain. Not only VeChain Thor blockchain, they are getting it's easier for them to bring in blockchain within their organizations because they're seeing big organizations use it. And for VeChain is partnered with some of the biggest ones around the world, such as Walmart China, DHL, Salesforce, PwC, and Amazon, AWS. This goes to show what VeChain is really doing, guys. And it gets me super excited, and I believe that in the next 3 to 5 years, VeChain really has the potential to be one of the top currencies. I have no doubt about that, but that's just my own personal opinion. But now let's deep dive into the charts to see what's exactly going on with VeChain. So since yesterday, guys, we have not seen anything special happen, but let me bring up the fib tool right away for you guys so we can see a better picture as to what is going on. So we are still above the support line of that point, 15, this crucial level of support at that 15.5 cents level. We're above that, and we're in that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. I personally would like for it to hold this, and if not, if markets do hold, especially Bitcoin were to hold at a specific level, I would like for VeChain to get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone and trade sideways. That's what I would personally like to see. And but as of now we are above the support level, so so far so good, because Bitcoin is not, it hasn't decided what it's doing yet. It's still on the shaky end, so we could definitely expect the markets to potentially move further down as well. As I mentioned in my previous video, we keep everything on this channel 100% realistic, because right now if you go onto Bitcoin charts first, so you guys can get a better understanding. If you're looking at Bitcoin's chart right now, Bitcoin is literally, guys, it is literally hanging on this support level for Bitcoin, which is at that $43,236. It's literally sitting right on that right now. And if we go below this, guys, then there is definitely a bearish short-term scenario for the entire market, and obviously VeChain is no exception. And right now we're sitting right on top of that. What I would personally like for Bitcoin to do is either trade within this range or get back to 49,000 and 50,000 and trade there. That's what I would personally like for it to see. But if it does not do that and it breaks below this level of support and goes back down, I will show you what's the next level of support. The next level of support would be around this 37 $1,000 mark. And if that happens, markets will see a major pullback. Like, so VeChain could definitely see a pullback as well. And we just have to be prepared for these kind of outcomes to play out, because at the end of the day, you guys know Bitcoin rules the market and it is the leading indicator of the entire market right now. So if we're going back on VeChain's chart right now, if that were to occur, let's say Bitcoin decides to have a retracement back down to $37,000, which definitely is a possibility right now when we're looking at the Bitcoin's chart. And this is very normal, and we have no control over that though. But if that were to happen, VeChain can definitely go down. I would say we can even fall back down to this 13 cents level, as I mentioned in my previous video. And I personally would love to be accumulating around those price levels. But if the magnitude of the price drop is very, very large, then we can even have we have a possibility to even drop back to 10 cents, guys. We have a possibility. I'm just showing you guys the possibility for everything occurring. But let's say Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, we're done, and whales come out and they're like, let's pump up the price, and they pump it back to $55,000, then the markets are going to recover very fast. And I would not be surprised, guys. Markets move so fast, you guys would not believe it. When the markets start moving, they move super fast. And if that happened, I would not be surprised if VeChain gets back into that 38.2 zone and trade sideways and head towards its all-time high. But right now all eyes are on Bitcoin, and as of now, guys, the short-term scenario for the entire market is bearish in my opinion, due to Bitcoin. I look at Bitcoin when I look at other coins. So right now Bitcoin is on the bearish end, but it's just for the short term. In my personal opinion, we will recover very, very fast. You guys know the drill. Patience is key in the cryptocurrency markets. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow. And you guys do not want to be shaken out during price pullbacks like these, especially if you believe in the project's long-term potential. And VeChain is one of those projects, guys. You guys know my stance. I'm a huge believer on VeChain. I personally believe it has, the potential to take, become one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the next 3 to 5 years, as long as they keep on delivering. And so far, they are right on track, and I would not be surprised if they do exactly that. And also, you guys know the speculation between, I'm saying that, Coinbase might list VeChain this year, because, guys, if we're looking at what VeChain is really doing right now, it really deserves a spot on Coinbase. Now, you may be asking, Crypto ZX, why Coinbase? What is so much excitement around there? Guys, Coinbase is the biggest exchange in the world when we consider, how many newcomers come into the markets. They come through Coinbase because Coinbase is a fiat gateway. So they buy the first crypto on there. So this opens so much doors for any projects that listed on Coinbase, and a lot of people, especially the newcomers that are coming in the markets that don't know how to buy on, Binance and stuff like that. They are really like, looking. I've been reading so many comments. How do I buy VeChain? This and that. And they want it simple. They want simple steps. They want just to log into Coinbase and just buy through there. And that's why it's such a big accomplishment when a project does get listed on Coinbase. And I would not be surprised if VeChain were to get listed sometime this year. I'm a strong believer on that, but at the end of the day, guys, only time will tell. This is just pure speculation. But this is it for today's video on VeChain. I would like for it to trade sideways within this range, or if Bitcoin were to stabilize, get back onto this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement zone and trade sideways. But you guys know my long-term stance on VeChain. Short-term, we could have bearish price, corrections, retracements, and whatever. But I can guarantee, like, I'm such a strong believer that in the next 5 to 6 months, we will be looking back at VeChain's prices and laughing at that. But only time will tell, guys. If we're looking at the Google Trends, guys, Google Trends are, they have pulled down a bit, but they are still looking very nice. This goes to show a lot of people are still searching about VeChain, and this does not come out as a surprise for me, considering VeChain is being talked a lot, not only in the crypto markets, but a lot of newcomers are talking about the VeChain as well, because there's a lot of hype building up on YouTube and also on TikTok. And that is bringing a lot of newcomers coming into the markets and looking into VeChain and what it really is all about. And so far so good. So let me know in the comment section below where you could see VeChain go at the end of this month. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me on a continuous basis, each and every one of you guys. Special shout out to Barbara, I'm sorry, Patrick, Steven, Natasha. The list goes on and on and on. Like, I'm sorry if I missed your name. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you so much for all the support. And with that being said, guys, I think I will wrap up today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. Family comes first. And everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.